Introducing the GE5 Speed Blender, your ultimate kitchen companion for whipping up everything from refreshing smoothies to hearty soups. With a powerful 1000-watt motor, this blender is designed to tackle all your blending needs. Here's why it's a game changer and why you need it. Unrivaled power, a 1000-watt workhorse. The heart of this blender is its robust 1000-watt motor. It's the powerhouse you need for crushing ice, pureeing frozen fruit, or blending your favorite sauces and soups. No more struggling with lumps and uneven textures. With the GE5 Speed Blender, you'll achieve the perfect consistency every time. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Batches for all, large 64-ounce jar. Whether you're serving a crowd or simply preparing a large quantity for later use, the 64-ounce blender jar has you covered. With this extra large capacity, you can whip up 7 to 9 servings of your favorite frozen drinks and smoothies in one go. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple batches. Durable blades for precision blending. What sets the GE5 Speed Blender apart is its blade system. Engineered with 6 serrated blades and 2 knife-edge blades, it effortlessly breaks down ingredients, releasing their flavors and nutrition for delicious, high-quality blended drinks. You'll notice the difference in every sip. Vortex action. Turbo blending at its best, thanks to its innovative vortex action. This blender creates a vacuum at the center of the jar. This unique feature pulls ingredients toward the middle, ensuring that everything is blended to perfection. Say farewell to those stubborn pockets of unblended ingredients. 2 is better than 1. Blender cups for convenience. The GE5 Speed Blender doesn't just stop at its 64-ounce jar. It comes with 2 individual-sized 16-ounce blender cups, complete with lids. These cups are perfect for those on-the-go moments when you want to blend and head out without missing a beat. Blend your favorite concoctions directly into these cups, pop on the lid, and you're ready to roll. Sleek stainless steel finish. Not only is the GE5 Speed Blender a workhorse, but it's also designed with a sleek stainless steel finish that complements any kitchen decor. Its exterior exudes durability, quality, and style. In conclusion, the GE5 Speed Blender is your passport to culinary excellence. With its impressive 1000-watt motor, large 64-ounce jar, durable blades, and vortex action, it's ready to tackle any blending task you throw at it. Plus, the addition of 2 individual-sized blender cups makes it your go-to appliance for life on the move. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and embark on a journey of culinary creativity. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.